Hi, Scott Doolan at MarineMax in Louisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a MasterCraft X24 for 2023. All right, so X24, tons of seating. One of the biggest boats MasterCraft builds, any bit bigger than this is their X26. So big thing, lots of seating. Wraparound seating in the back, wraparound seating towards the front, and a really good stadium seating setup. So stern facing seating back on the transom, room for two here, one here, seating here, as well as across the front, because it is a pickle fork front, gives you a little bit more room up there to seat people facing backwards. Also, really nice shaped seats, really comfortable, hold you in, just a comfortable boat to be in. So full LEDs all over the place in this boat, really well done. Wireless cell phone chargers built up into here, as well as 12-volt outlets and USB ports on the other side. Nice built-in cooler over here, great storage underneath all of your other seats, as well as pass-through storage from your companion side that runs all the way up into here. So done really well. You'll see there's a stern shade in there. That's going to mount on the back of the boat to give you a cabana shade out the back. This boat has the biggest stereo system available from the factory, clips audio, several amplifiers, a pair of large clip speakers up front, a pair here in the dash, subwoofer here, more speakers here, more back here, as well as two big pairs of 8.5-inch tower cans. So huge audio system. This has the upgraded dash, large touch screen over here for your Surf Star. You'll notice the top of your throttle twist, that's for the stern thruster. Yes, this boat has a thruster on board. Just one of the nicest X24s you'll see anywhere. So if you have any questions about this or any of the boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to help you out.